Welcome to the 9th week of Quality Management. To begin, click on the Weekly Modules Content area. Next, select the Module 9, Chapter 8 Quality Teamwork folder. As always, we begin with the learning objectives. Next, we have the assignment summary, which is to review this video, read Chapter 8, and review the Chapter 8 PowerPoint presentation. For the assignments this week, you will complete the peer-to-peer discussions pertaining to teams and the Chapter 8 quiz. Next, we have the instructional content, which includes this video, the reading assignment, and the PowerPoint presentation for Chapter 8. Next, we have the peer-to-peer discussion and team effectiveness. I'm sure all of us have been on good teams and bad teams. Within this discussion board, you're going to be responding to questions within Step 1 and 2. Within Step 3, you're going to be replying to at least 3 other classmates' posts. And lastly, we have the Chapter 8 quiz. As always, please feel free to reach out to your instructor if you have any questions or concerns. Have a great week.